Signing up for Progressive Insurance is a quick and straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started. Visit the Progressive website. Go to Progressive's official website and click on Get a Quote. Enter personal and vehicle information. Provide your name, address, date of birth, and driver's license number. Enter vehicle details such as make, model, year, and vehicle identification number. Provide driving history. Disclose any past accidents, tickets, or claims to ensure an accurate quote. Choose coverage options. Select coverage types like liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist protection. Adjust deductibles and add optional coverages like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement. Review your quote. Progressive will generate a custom quote based on your details. Compare coverage options and make any necessary adjustments. Purchase your policy. If satisfied, proceed to enter payment details and choose a billing plan. Payments can be made via credit card, bank transfer, or electronic check. Receive proof of insurance. After payment, you will get instant proof of insurance via email or the Progressive app.